In the context of data analytics, TSPs, time series patterns, refer to trends or patterns in data that occur over time. Time series data refers to data points that are recorded at regular intervals over time, such as stock prices, weather data, or website traffic. TSPs can be used to identify patterns or trends in the data that can help analysts make predictions or inform decisions. For example, a business might use TSPs to predict future sales based on historical data or to identify seasonal trends in customer behavior. There are a variety of tools and techniques available to analyze TSPs, including statistical methods, machine learning algorithms, and visualization tools. Some common techniques include moving averages. This method involves calculating the average value of a series of data points over a specified period of time, such as a week or a month. This can help smooth out fluctuations in the data and make it easier to identify trends. Time series decomposition. This technique involves breaking down a time series into its component parts, such as trend, seasonality, and residual values. This can help analysts identify patterns that might not be immediately obvious from the raw data. Autoregression. This is a statistical method that uses past values of a time series to predict future values. This can be useful for forecasting future trends or identifying anomalies in the data. Neural networks. Machine learning algorithms like neural networks can be used to identify complex patterns in time series data, such as patterns that change over time or patterns that are influenced by multiple variables. LightFin is here to get all your financial accounts under one roof. Fintech companies, personal finance/investment management organizations, and product companies that focus on customer digital experience, analytics, and research can leverage LightFin as a cost-effective solution for personal finance management. Overall, TSPs are a powerful tool for data analysts and can be used to inform a wide range of business decisions. By identifying trends and patterns in time series data, analysts can make more accurate predictions and better understand the factors that drive changes in their data.